Hi, my name is Lee Turkle and I'm the Executive Vice President here at cellhelmet. Unlike many products, our liquid glass screen protection is third-party tested with documented results. Our goal today is to invite you into our test lab and replicate that for you. So first, we're going to start with an untreated device and a 2.4 ounce pinball to show you what happens to the phone with no liquid glass applied. So we're going to begin with a 2-foot drop and increase in 2-foot increments until our phone breaks. Our first drop, 2 feet. Phone survived. Drop 2, 4 feet. As you can see, our phone shattered at 4 feet. Now we're going to repeat the exact same process with a phone treated with cellhelmet's liquid glass and the same 2.4 ounce pinball. Drop 1, 2 feet. Phone is intact. Drop 2, 4 feet. Phone still intact. Drop 3, 6 feet. Drop 4, 8 feet. I can't reach the top. Drop 5, 9 feet to be assisted by someone taller than me. Yep. As you can see, the device broke at 9 feet. Cellhelmet's liquid glass made this device over 2 times stronger than the untreated one. But we realized accidents do happen, which is exactly why cellhelmet's liquid glass comes with between $50 and $500 worth of coverage. Now that's peace of mind. You want to learn more? Check us out at cellhelmet.com.